I'm Dr. Carlson from the Grove Animal Hospital and Holistic Center, reporting on case number 01953, which is a 6-year-old feline that has been experiencing bad teeth. And if we think about the oral cavity, it has several functions. One is obviously to chew food. Cats chomp their food, so they have to break down straight up and down versus chewing. Also, the gum line is like a strap of really hard tissue that normally is like an upside down Ziploc bag, can protect the root from outside exposure, so it's a really tough band. Further up is the stoma, the part of the cheek, and that is there to provide saliva, or moisture I should say, to the food, a cavity to basically chew the food up. And but that can be an area of inflammation, especially when we're dealing with gingivitis and gum disease. Now, where does the saliva come from? Well, the salivary ducts at the lower jaw bring saliva into the mouth. Saliva has a couple of functions. One is to help break down food, but the other is to help protect the teeth against bacteria and decay of the enamel on the tooth itself. So as we look at breakdown of those mechanisms, first of all, on the treatment side of dental disease, we often look at what mechanically can we do. Well, first of all, we can do an ultrasonic scale and polish. We can clean off any and remove any infected teeth. So there could be extractions involved. The other thing diagnostically is we want to make sure with gum disease is that the heart, the liver, and the kidney are evaluated. So typically looking at blood work to make sure that everything's okay with those organ systems. The remedy, however, is the root cause. The remedy is not the treatment. The remedy helps to resolve the root problem associated with gum disease. So if we take a look at that, how we break this down is we see, first of all, we have bad teeth here, and we see the treatment as far as the dental procedure and then evaluating the kidney, liver, and heart. But over here for the remedy, we go to the base point reading, and we can see that there's 4 areas of imbalance. So areas in red are weakened, areas that are yellow are stressed, and areas in green are balanced. So we're focusing on the one weak point is the nervous system. So the nervous system is connected to the GI tract, and so that's going to have an effect on digestion and how we digest food properly. Also, it's going to have an effect on the nervous system and the immune system. On the stress side, we can see that LY2 is specifically related to the lymphatics that drain the teeth and jaw, you see? And so that strap of gingiva is actually a lymphatic road to the lymph nodes underneath the jawline. So if that's stressed, we're automatically getting inflammation from that area. And then secondly, we had skin and also the endocrine system. TW1 is going to be adrenal. So nervous system, teeth and jaw. The skin has an indirect relationship, so that can create some rash related to inflammation in the mouth. So we watch for skin rash, and that skin rash origin can be from the mouth, so we're going to keep an eye on that. How do we formulate the remedy? First of all, I like to use a hemp oil base because it's easy for cats to take, it's anti-inflammatory, and it's safe. We use a focus infuser to customize based on the test results, and we deliver 3 drops a day for 3 months. So that balances out the imbalances and allows recovery to occur. Without balancing and recovery, then we can have chronic GI problems, especially stomatitis, cat cavities called foral lesions, and so those are the things that we want to recover as far as health, get a healthy mouth again. On the other side, there were no sensitivities, so we don't have to worry about food or environmental toxins creating problems. So we are going to use Stomach Happy as a natural treatment. It's going to be a prescription herb that helps to reduce inflammation in the mouth. And a lot of times with cats, we're seeing more stomach imbalance. That can be related to it. So going to a treatment that's specific for that, and Chinese medicine is going to be really important to incorporate with the remedy. And then we'll make a decision between when do we want to do some dental work, and when, if we want to just continue with holistic management for now, we'll make that assessment at the next recheck. So give us a call at 2 numbers. First of all, Riverside's 815-344-7716 or Grove 847-541-4005, and discuss any questions you might have after reviewing the video. And then the next step is we want to see how things are going as far as a progress evaluation in about 30 days, but certainly having questions answered in between and giving you regular updates. So look forward to seeing this case resolved. Thank you very much.